mechanics of global financial markets. And I have authored the course, and I'll say a little bit about the purpose and the design of the course. It's designed really to give, during the 16 weeks or 8 separate modules that the course covers, it's designed to give a really comprehensive overview of the global financial marketplace. So I will be dealing with topics such as the business models that financial institutions have adopted. I'll talk about the business model behind banking, the business model behind insurance, the business model, for example, for the hedge fund world. Then I will deal in some detail with the major asset classes. We'll talk about equities, we'll talk about fixed income instruments, and so on. Then I have another module which is devoted to monetary policy. We'll talk about the manner in which the central banks of the world influence the monetary environment, and I'll talk about the interest rate environment, credit markets, and so on. We then will go on and look at the world of derivatives. We'll spend quite a bit of time on derivatives, in fact. I will go through a detailed treatment of options, swaps in their various varieties, interest rate swaps, credit default swaps, FX swaps, and so on. We then will actually have a more in-depth look at the world of foreign exchange. That will also enable us to have a look at other derivatives like futures markets and so on. I have another module which is devoted to portfolio theory. We'll look at asset allocation strategies. We'll look at investment styles, trading styles. We'll talk about hedging that can be used in the world of asset management. There's another module which is focused on what is sometimes referred to as financial stability, or if you like to think about it from its more negative connotation, financial instability, which of course then brings us into the very key area of risk management, and we'll look at risk management in quite a lot of detail. And then the final module for the course is to look at the regulatory environment, and this will cover everything from the regulations that affect the world of banking, for example, the Basel framework, the Basel III, and even very up-to-date initiatives that the Basel Committee is taking. We'll look at legislation. We'll look at legislation affecting the United States, the Dodd-Frank Act. We'll talk about various legislation within the European Union. And in general terms, the course is designed to provide somebody either who's already in the world of finance or contemplating a career in finance, to provide a very substantial big picture view over the 8 modules of the global financial marketplace.